Welcome to DataTex. Let's take a look at how we can generate audit reports. This can only be done if the supervisor has the correct access. Click on the Administrations button and head to the Audits Report icon. There are three different types of audit reports: the supervisor logon, the access changes, and devices not recorded. Start by selecting the type of report and specifying a date selection. Then a specific supervisor can be selected for this particular report, or there can be no supervisor selected. Click on Apply. Here you will see the Supervisor Log-On Audit Report. Each supervisor is in their own category. You can see the date that the supervisor logged in, the type of activity, the date and time that the supervisor logged in, logged out, or timed out, as well as the duration between those activities. Below this, you will be able to see more information about each activity that took place during the specific date selection. Here you can see the specific recording, the number that was called, the username of the person who called, the extension number that the user called from, the date and time that the activity started and where it ended, the last activity that took place, the duration of the call itself, the time it took for the activity to be completed, the time it takes between two consecutive activities, and the amount of playback activities that have taken place for that recording. The types of recording activity are as follows: access recording, batch export AQM, email recording, export AQM, export recordings to be transcribed, play recording, play stop recording from info, reposition play recording, review recording, save recording, and tag recording for AQM. Now we take a look at access changes that have been made. This is more specific for the administration of the system. This shows the various changes that have been made to supervisors and who performed those changes. Here, a specific supervisor can be selected to show which changes they have made. A specific supervisor can also be chosen to see what changes have been done for them. When the selections have been made, click on Apply. Here you can see the date and time that the change was made, the supervisor who made the change, and who they made it for. Below this, you can see the access that was changed. It shows what the access was before and what it has been changed to. On the next audit report, you can find the devices not recorded. Here it shows which devices have not yet recorded on the current day up until the time that the report is pulled. It also shows if those devices have in fact recorded in the past number of days that have been specified. This helps identify various things that may be important to a supervisor, for example, faulty devices, absent employees, and underperforming employees. Thank you for following along. Stay tuned for our next one.